Hey guys, it's Cody Armstrong at Long Lewis Ford. I just want to show you guys on this 2019 Ford Edge SEL that we're currently selling for $28,998. It has FordPass. And so I'm going to show you guys how to hook it up on your phone, download the app from the App Store or the Android Play Store, and add it to your phone so you can then track it, check how much miles is on it, check how much gas you have in it, where it is, lock, unlock it, and crank it all from your phone. So come with me. So once you go into the App Store or your Google Marketplace, you'll type in FordPass, and you'll see that it'll pop up right there. FordPass, and then since I've already got it downloaded, you'll just need to download it. You click open, and so here you can see my account. You just go through the login process of setting up the account, put in your email, make up a password. You'll have to make up a 4-digit PIN. Once you get that done, you type in all your information, you'll see this screen right here. And then you can go through, check your profile settings, find your vehicle once you got it added. So what it says is, it says add vehicle. So what I'm gonna do is I like to just take a picture of the VIN number. As you can see, you got a camera right there with a line. So inside your vehicle, you'll see the VIN number, and then you see the barcode. You take a picture of that, and it'll say searching as it is right now, and it's finding the vehicle. And then boom, right there it is. Here we are. You can give it a nickname. We're not going to just for this video. Then you click get started. So once you click get started, it's going to add your vehicle. Boom. But you're not done here. You'll need to click vehicle details and then activate vehicle. And then once you do that, and it's going to connect, it's going to make sure you're not driving, accept that you're not driving, and then a confirmation will pull up. Confirm FordPass connection. You'll click yes. And then at that point, it says activation pending right here. If you go back, it'll say activation pending, and you'll get a little notification just like I did right there, vehicle authorization complete. So that means you are good to go. Sometimes it takes it a second or two for it to go through. You can see it's pulling how much gas is in here, miles, so on and so forth. If it gives it a second, if you would just refresh the app and then reopen it. And there it is, lock. You get the lock button to start the engine and unlock, and you can see right here, if I've got it turned off, the car's not running. Doesn't matter where you're at, it's going to do it via satellite. If you hold your thumb or finger down right here, it's going to circle around for a second. Usually takes maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds. And there we go. Vehicle's cranked. And just like that. And just keep in mind, you also, whenever you add your vehicle, no matter if you've got a Toyota, Chevrolet, or anything like that, when you add it to FordPass, it doesn't just have to be a Ford. You'll also get FordPass points. That'll help you pay for tires, oil changes, whatever else that you want to use it at service. So if you need any help with anything, let me know. Cody Armstrong, Long Lewis Ford, 662-287-3184. Have a good day.